Hello loves and welcome. So I am just doing like a I guess a final review over the hair products that I tried. I think that I put them in my hair. I don't know. Let me check that real quick because I don't want to. 2 weeks. I still haven't washed my hair yet. So I know I look a mess, and it's only because I literally just woke up less than an hour ago to hurry up and make this video so I can hurry up and wash my hair. So, okay. I don't know if you can see any color left in my hair because I haven't brushed it out yet. I think there might be some there maybe. This hair color was super funny because depending on the lighting, that's how well you could see or not see the color. So hold on, my camera battery's gonna go dead. I have to switch a room. Alright, and we're back because your girl comes prepared. I definitely have 2 charged up spare batteries to replace for my camera, but that's another story. I'm a bit of a psycho, but it looks like it came in handy. So, okay. So this is my hair now after 2 weeks of having it in my hair, and I'll kind of just talk through what I like or didn't like about the products basically. So I also want to kind of just mention before I even go there that a lot of these complaints will be based on how I have to maintain my hair between washes, because obviously different people have to do different things to keep their hair maintained from one wash to the next. So because I'm natural and I wear my hair in a wash and go style, I have to add water and moisturizer to my hair, not every day but kind of often, to keep it moisturized and like keep my curls coming through, or else my hair get like super frizzy. The product did make my hair drier, I noticed. I'll insert pictures of the first day when I put the product in my hair, and then maybe a week after. I'm pretty sure I took a picture. Not sure if I took a picture closer towards the end of my 2 weeks, just to kind of see or show you guys how my hair has maintained with the color, because that's what a lot of people like to know, is how long it lasts. And it does say it lasts until your next wash, but I'm pretty sure there's like a caveat to that, meaning you can't constantly be adding water and moisturizer on top of it and expect it to last and look the way that it did when you first started, because it literally washes out just as easily as you can put it in. So that's not a complaint though. That's just kind of like a disclaimer, just to let people know, a warning that yeah, for probably the natural girls who have to keep kind of like maintaining moisture between washes, it probably won't last as long, but honestly I think it did a really good job. On the instructions it says to use it on completely clean hair, so I'm under the impression that they don't want you to have other products in your hair, but I'm not sure. Nevertheless, I applied the product on top of my wash and go. So I washed my hair, did my wash and go get up probably 2 days before I added the product to my hair, because they want your hair to be 80% dry. Well, it's kind of like if your hair is already dry, then you have to make it 80% wet. Am I thinking too much into it? Probably, but that's what the situation I was in, because my hair was kind of past 80 90% dry, so I kind of had to wet it up a little bit before I added the product to my hair, which was fine. It's no biggie. I keep water in a spray bottle. Who doesn't? So I did already have a bunch of moisturizer and oil in my hair, but I still wanted to try it out because, yeah, I can't just not put anything in my hair except for a hair color. So I mean, I know that there are some people who can do that, and that's really cool. If you can, I'm curious to know if it makes a difference with how the product behaves, but for me, that's just not a realistic possibility. So yeah, I added it on top of my wash and go a couple days later, and then it still was, I didn't have any problems. I don't think I had any problems. It easily applied to my hair. You instantly see color. Kind of like overdid it and added way too much, but it was fine. It took me, you'll see the footage of how I did the whole process anyway, but yeah, so you know, it took me no time to add it all in my hair. I also went back after the footage that I'm showing. I did go back and I added more because I didn't realize that it was the lighting was the reason why I couldn't see the color as much. But yeah, I found that out shortly after because sunlight and just like bright LED lights really bring it out. So anytime I was at work or like in the bathroom at work or outside, like the color was just like boom, popping. Like I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. I liked it, but did it look natural? No. But you know, you don't add purple into your hair with the expectation of looking natural unless you're a troll. So yeah, I did like it a lot. What I did not like, I constantly rub my fingers through my hair, as you may notice, because my hair, because of the fact that it's super kinky, coily, curly, whatever, it intertwines with itself and kind of like starts to shrink up. And so to kind of pull it back down and then maybe detangle it a little bit, I'm constantly kind of running my fingers through my hair to just like do this type of thing, stretch it back out and separate it from each other. That might be common for other girls with curlier, kinkier, coilier hair. Not really sure. So, but I know that this is something I do. That's why I say some of the things that I complain about may be very specific to me for this reason. So yeah, I run my fingers through my hair a lot, and when I do that, the color, I don't know if I still have enough for it to happen anymore. I got a strand of hair. I think I see some specks. Let's see if I get closer. Can you see the specks? I don't really see it and it's going out of focus. So yeah, but it kind of like flakes off when you do that. I had a whole bunch of color in my hair first, so needless to say, there was so much just like flaking residue falling onto my shirt just from me trying to do my thing where I go like this and everything, and I like, you know, pull through my hair and I do this whole thing. So yeah, I would definitely, yeah, like, can you see it? It's still kind of doing it. And if you wear white shirts, don't wear white shirts. I was doing it anyway because I'm a rebel, but yeah, it's probably not for the best. The good thing I can say is that it doesn't permanently stain anything, as far as I've seen. I've literally worn white shirts several times while I've had this in my hair, and it literally will leave like a purple stain or a purple residue color all on it. But I've washed the clothes and seen, like even this shirt, I believe I wore this at some point while I had the color, and I washed it, and if you can see, there are no stains on the shirt. If there were, it would be like mostly here, because when I first wash my hair, it hangs a little bit more like there. So a lot of the color was getting on around the back where my hair hangs down to, and then on the shoulders. So yeah, not my favorite part of having that in my hair. And I guess just kind of so be mindful of it. It's not necessarily something that'll deter me from using it altogether, but it's definitely something to be mindful of. I go a while between washes, so basically if I wanted to come out, it's like I can just rinse it out maybe, but I don't want to rinse my hair out because then all my product will come out and whatever. So chances are that I will probably end up washing my hair sooner than I would otherwise if I put it in my hair, but that's not a big deal. I'm trying to think. Yeah, I think that's the only thing that I have to say about it. Other than that, I got a lot of compliments on my hair. People like my boo, my mom, they weren't so thrilled about seeing my hair, seeing me with purple hair, but you know, it's cool. I love my haters. What was this? I don't know. There's me like kissing them and dismissing them at the same time. So that's pretty much all there is to it. The product isn't complicated at all. It's not much to it. It's literally like easy come, easy go. You can easily add it, it shows up, and then it easily washes out. So it's really nice. The consistency, I wish I had the jar right now, but I showed it to you plenty during the initial recording. So thank you guys for watching this video.